Hello everyone. ABCproxy is a residential proxy that goes beyond 911S5, 100% stable and real residential agent. All residential agents are not shared in any way. Your proxy is provided to you only. IP survival time less than or equal to 24 hours. ABCproxy intelligent AI technology to regularly update and optimize the IP pool. Second, ABCproxy can handle tens of thousands of simultaneous proxy IP requests consistently and efficiently. No traffic usage limitations. High uptime ensures your web scraping projects run smoothly. It is the perfect 911S5 replacement, perfectly compatible with any fingerprint browser and web proxy tool, such as Google, Firefox, Edge, IE, Proxify. We have better and more flexible pricing. We offer two types of proxies, rotating residential plan and static residential plan. There is always one for you.